Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel RP's Logos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this double star logo using Inkscape. Okay, there's a star here and there is a star inside this star. Okay, so first thing is open Inkscape and open the fill and stroke menu and align and distribute menu. So the first thing I'm going to do is I click here to create rectangles and squares icon, and I'll make a perfect square. Okay, press Ctrl and Shift and click here to make a perfect square. Okay, now let me click here once again, press Ctrl, see this rotational handles, press Ctrl and move it right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it should look like a diamond shape kind of a thing. So let me reduce the opacity to around half and change this to pixels. Now change the width of this to 150 pixels and we'll change the height to 260 pixels. Now it's very important that we use this ratio or else it will not look exactly like in this photo. Okay, so please try to use this same ratio. Okay, once we did this, we'll click here and select this draw bezier curves icon, and before that click here to enable this snap to cusp nodes. Okay, now click here and click here and we'll complete the path. Okay, once that is done, with this piece already selected, press shift and select this diamond shape and go to path difference. Okay, so now it's half of it. Okay, so we'll click this, press Ctrl D to duplicate it and we'll flip it. Okay, flip selected objects horizontally and we'll snap it. Okay, now we'll change the color of this. Let me change the color of this to say red, and we'll change the color of this to a light red. Okay, so it looks somewhat like this in this picture. Okay, now we'll select everything and we'll group it. Now click this once. Sorry, before that, click this and we'll duplicate it by using Ctrl D. Okay, press Ctrl D. Now it's duplicated. Click once. See the rotational handles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we'll move it and we'll snap it. Okay, we'll do the same thing again. Press Ctrl D. Click once. Rotate it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, snap it. Now press Ctrl D. Click once. Snap it. Ctrl D 4 times, snap it. Press Ctrl D, click once, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now we have got a perfect star here. Okay, now we'll select everything and we'll group it. Okay, now press Ctrl D to duplicate it and we will reduce the size of this. Now press Ctrl and Shift, click here and we'll reduce the size of it. Sorry, we need to click here to undo this. Click here to disable this. Okay, now press Ctrl and Shift and we'll reduce it to maybe this size and we'll click here. With this already selected, click here. Okay, flip selected objects horizontally. See, now this is the dark part and this is the dark part. This is the light part and this is the light part. Okay, so that's how to make this double star pattern using Inkscape. Now there is something else which I can show you. Select everything and we'll group selected pieces together, and we'll press Ctrl and Shift and we'll reduce it to this size. And now we can press Ctrl D and we can click here, snap to cusp nodes, and we can duplicate it, make a pattern. See, maybe increase the opacity a bit so it's much more clearer now. So select everything and we'll group it. Or else we can change the pattern to something else. Now we'll just ungroup it and we'll select this part, we'll group it, we'll group this part, we can make a different pattern here like this, and can select this, and we'll select this, press Ctrl D and move it here. We'll group this and we can even place it here. Ctrl D, Ctrl D. See, we can fill this. Press Ctrl D, move it, and can rotate it 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it maybe. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.